Hello, I want to discuss about the derivation for peak overshoot. In the last sessions we have discussed about rise time, peak time. Now I am going to discuss about peak overshoot. So here the peak overshoot or maximum peak overshoot, it is calculated at T is equal to Tp. Maximum peak overshoot is calculated at T is equal to Tp. This is already we have discussed in the last session. See here, this is a peak overshoot, and peak overshoot, if we observe the diagram, the maximum peak overshoot is occurred at this point. This is a peak overshoot, and this peak overshoot is existing at T is equal to Tp. And what is Tp? We got peak time, we got Tp is equal to pi by omega d. So we will get the maximum peak overshoot at a peak time at T is equal to Tp, and we have known the formula. Percentage of peak overshoot can be calculated by using this formula. Okay, so first at T is equal to infinity, what is C of t? We know that C of t is equal to 1 minus e power minus zeta omega n into t by square root of 1 minus zeta square into sine omega dt plus theta. And I have to substitute t is as infinity. If I substitute t as infinity, e power minus infinity. E power minus infinity can be written as 1 by e power infinity. And e power infinity value is infinity only. So 1 by infinity will be equal to 0. Okay, so here I am having omega d into infinity plus theta. So I will get here 1 minus 0. So I will get at infinity, at t is equal to infinity, C of t is equal to 1. Okay, now I want to calculate C of t at Tp. And what is Tp? We got peak overshoot as pi by omega d in the earlier derivations. Now C of t is equal to C of Tp is equal to 1 minus e power minus zeta omega n into Tp. Tp as pi by omega d divided by 1 minus zeta square into sine omega d. T is pi by omega d plus theta. This one will get cancelled. Here I will write 1 minus e power minus zeta omega n pi by omega d divided by square root of 1 minus zeta square into sine pi plus theta. Sine pi plus theta is nothing but minus sine theta, and minus of minus will become plus. So 1 plus e power minus zeta omega n into pi by omega d divided by square root of 1 minus zeta square. And from this triangle, what is sine theta? Sine theta is square root of 1 minus zeta square, right? So here 1 minus zeta square I will write, and this one will get cancelled. So I will get 1 plus e power minus zeta omega n into pi divided by what is omega d? It can be written as omega n into 1 minus zeta square, and this one will get cancelled. I will get e power minus zeta pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square. This is C of Tp. Now I want to calculate the maximum peak overshoot, MP percentage, and the formula is C of Tp minus C of infinity divided by C of infinity into 100%. into 100. So what is C of TP? I got this one, 1 plus e power minus zeta pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square. And what is C of infinity? 1 divided by 1 into 100. Answer is e power minus zeta pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square into 100. So here percentage peak overshoot. Percentage peak overshoot is equal to e power minus zeta pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square into 100. Okay, so we can generalize this equation as e power minus zeta n pi by square root of 1 minus zeta square. So for different overshoots and undershoots, the n value is added integer. Okay, thank you.